More and more kids are riding hoverboards. We guess they really took off. But these aren't the kind that Marty McFly cruised on in Back to the Future. Instead of anti-gravity technology, we have to make do with wheels, gyroscopes, and co-ordination. Scoot over here for a minute. Can you guess what we have for you this week? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. It's the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit. Hoverboard is a pretty loose name for a self-balancing scooter, but it does sound cool. Normally, you tilt your feet back and forth on the pads to make the corresponding wheels go forwards and backwards. Pretty easy, except for if you're over the age of 14 like us. That's why we're so excited about the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit. It's great for kids, but also for big, goofy grown-ups like us who prefer sitting on our butts than falling off hoverboards onto the pavement and getting road rash. It looks a little bit like a leg press at the gym, minus the weights and all those buff people checking themselves out in the mirror. It's easy. Just sit on top of your hoverboard and hey, presto, budget go-kart. The handles work by pressing down on the directional foot pads of the hoverboard and take no time at all to get the hang of. Push both handles down and you're going forward. Pull both handles up and you're going backwards, while moving them different ways with either have you performing a turn or doing a few donuts in the driveway. This particular kit is designed to fit most 6.5 to 10-inch wide hoverboards with a 16.9-inch wide seat and 43.3-inch adjustable frame big enough for adults to use too. Assembly is super easy. And in all of 5 minutes, you can go from box opener to Allen key specialist to taking your kids for a spin on their newly improvised go-kart. So what do we like about the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit? First up, the cool factor. Our kids, and Matt, were the envy of the neighborhood when they were rolling down the street on their go-karts. We had parents coming up asking where we got them from. Nobody likes sitting in an ER room with an upset child who has a broken arm. Sitting down instead of standing up means that eventual crashes and mishaps have a greatly reduced chance of hurting your child and Matt. Though it's designed as a generic frame to suit a variety of hoverboard sizes, we found the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit fit ours just fine. And talk about transportability. Just disconnect the front with a twist of a knob and voila! Into the trunk it goes. What's the downside? Listen up here. Obviously, this is only a kit. The hoverboard is not included. If your kids don't have a hoverboard, well, maybe Santa will bring them each one if you meet them halfway and gift them the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit to match. We'll also include a link in the description below if you want to pick up the one we got from Amazon. Also, if your hoverboards aren't the split type with 2 articulating steer pads, this obviously won't work, as you'll be able to go forwards and backwards, but won't be able to steer. Obviously not ideal. Although the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit is adjustable to suit both kids, teen, and adult heights, it may be a tad too long for younger children. So, what's the verdict? This thing is awesome! We went out and bought ourselves a more robust, significantly more powerful hoverboard so Matt could hang with my son on his 9-bot cart. We give it a rating of 5 out of 5 stars. Our kids, and especially Matt, loved the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit. definitely worth grabbing if you or your kids or both have a hoverboard sitting in the garage unused and gathering dust. And the OMOLA Hoverboard Go Kart Conversion Kit could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.